Refractive lens exchange is an elective surgery that removes your eye's natural lens and replaces it with an intraocular lens (IOL). Like a contact lens or the lens of your eyeglasses, an IOL contains a vision prescription that's customized to your eyes. The difference is that your provider permanently implants the IOL in your eye. Once it's in place, the IOL functions just like your eye's natural lens. It refracts and bends light as it enters your eye, helping it land properly on your retina so you can see clearly. Many people don't need to wear glasses or contacts after their surgery. Or if they do, it's only for specific tasks like reading. Refractive lens exchange offers an alternative to laser surgeries that change the shape of your cornea to correct your vision. Such surgeries like LASIK and PRK aren't suitable for some people who have high refractive errors or certain eye conditions. If you're not a candidate for corneal surgery, your provider may recommend refractive lens exchange.